Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to factory reset your Windows PC. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first things first, you can go to your start menu and then search here reset. And as you can see, there is this reset this PC. All you have to do is to open this on your system settings. And here it is. And as you can see, you have this recovery. On the left side, if you can't find this recovery, then you can also scroll down here and then tap on recovery. So if your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. So this lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. To complete the reset, you will need to be connected to network and follow the instruction on your PC. So if you want to basically reset your computer, then all you have to do is tap on get started. Then you have your option, choose an option here. If you have important files, and then I strongly suggest to pick the first one because it will just keep your file. It will just remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. While the second one here, it will remove everything, removes all your personal files and app and settings. But if you don't have important files and if you want to remove everything, you can choose the second one. For me, I'll tap the first one. This won't take long. So getting things ready, you have to wait for that. And then you will see here, how would you like to reinstall Windows, cloud download, or local reinstall? So you can choose from any of this here. So for example, cloud download, and then current settings, restore apps and settings which came with this PC, and then download and reinstall Windows. Tap on next. This won't take long. Now, once you're ready to reset your computer, you should see this one and then it will reset your computer right away. So basically, that's it. That's how you easily reset or do the factory reset on your Windows PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.